Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Sorry about the echo. I don't have a dedicated mic on this camera right now. I just want to do a real quick video for you about my DeWalt planer that is back. You can see it has the repair tag on it. When I purchased this thing, I had an issue with it. This knob right here broke. I did a video on it. I can post that up here. You can go watch that video, what went wrong. I want to talk about the positives of actually getting it repaired. I don't feel it's fair to do a video about something breaking and talking about a manufacturer and something being broke and not tell you how they dealt with it. So, in a nutshell, when I bought this planer, I bought it from Amazon. And a lot of you were saying, take it, send it back to Amazon, send it back to Amazon. And unfortunately, when I was searching for this planer, I actually had budgeted for a larger one. And everything in me just said, you know, these things are great. You had one before, get another one. Because I had the budget, I said, okay, I'm going to buy the stand and I'm going to buy a dust collection for it. Because I had the budget for a full dust collection system as well as the stand. And the tables, you know, I got the X version. Everything showed up separately. It took over a month before I had all the parts and actually started using it. And I didn't use this little knob. This is the depth stop knob. It's not really a knob that I use a lot. And unfortunately, I was outside of that month for Amazon to ship it back before it broke. So I was down to DeWalt's 1-year parts and labor warranty. And since I knew I had the year, I dreaded it and I put it off like everybody else because we all know and dread those phone calls. You know, hit number 1, hit number 4, you know, 20 minutes, 30 minutes before you get a human being. I am happy to say within a minute I had a human being on the phone and he was very good. He took down the serial number and within a minute of that explained to me that I had 2 options. I could ship it back and they would help me with that. They would send me packing materials and I could send it back, or I could take it to a local to me service center that's authorized to repair DeWalt tools. So I said, well, where is the service center? It turned out it was literally almost in my neighborhood, so it was very close. So that's what I did. I took it in. The company was called Fix It in Beltsville, Maryland. The man told me straight up it would be 3 weeks, and it was. It took 3 weeks, but he was forthcoming with that. He told me right up front, you know, he has to deal with DeWalt. He has to have the parts shipped out. He has to figure out what's wrong with it. So there's time there. It was over the holidays too, so it did take the better part of a month to have this thing fixed. But it's fixed, and I am very happy to say DeWalt's customer service was awesome. The Fix It company was awesome. Everything went well. It's back bolted on its stand. It's ready to go. The dust collection is now here. I'm going to give you a tour of this room next week because I've got a new joiner, the new planer. My bandsaw is right behind me here. I don't know if you can see that. The table saw is in this room now. We got better lighting. Everything is better in this room other than the audio. I got to do something about it. I'm sure you're hearing an echo here. So this was just a quick video for me to explain to you the good side of working with a manufacturer and getting something repaired. I didn't want to do a video talking about something breaking and then not do a follow-up video to let you know the results, whatever they were. Thankfully, this was a positive result. So that's basically all I want to do in this video, let everybody know. Oh, what was wrong? The man that fixed it, actually, we had a good conversation. What he told me was when he took the knob out, which was just taking this screw off here, there's a ball and a spring in there and they're held together with a set screw. And he told me the set screw wasn't there. So literally the first time I turned this knob, the spring sprung out and the ball rolled out, and he said, because there was no set screw, there's no way it was ever going to be held in. Am I mad at DeWalt for that? No. Let's be honest. Manufacturing mistakes happen. We all have had to return something. How you judge this kind of stuff is either how the retail store deals with it or how the manufacturer dealt with it. DeWalt was great, so that's the best thing I can tell you. Will I not purchase more DeWalt tools because it had that missing screw? Absolutely not. These things happen with every manufacturer, so you know, I'm just glad it's back. I'm very thankful DeWalt stood behind their tool, and I thank them for it. So thank you for watching. Happy New Year. This is my first video of the new year. I hope everybody had a great holiday season and is getting ready to get into the new year. I am. I'm in a new space here. I can't wait to show it to you. That'll be coming up in one of my next few videos. So if you found me because of searching for DeWalt or DeWalt planners, I do tool reviews and woodworking. So if you're interested in that, please go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't. Those two things and comments down below really help me out. So thanks again for watching, everybody, and we'll see you in the next one.